I've always struggled to give myself grace because my high standards tell me I'm not good enough unless it's perfect. So here are three things I'm trying to practice grace. Number one, separate outcome from worth. When a performance goes poorly, I used to make it all about me, all about my capability. Now I'm practicing this reframe. I can only do my best with what I've been given. The result depends on factors I don't fully control. And this creates space between what happened and who I am. Number two, challenge the belief that perfection is a prerequisite. I've been operating like I must be perfect in order to be chosen. I must be perfect because it's the only way to belong. But when I look around and see people succeeding without that prerequisite, honestly, it's sometimes frustrating and infuriating. But I'm using that now as permission. If it's okay for them, it's okay for me. And number three, reality check my expectations. I tell myself, I can't be good at something I've never done before. Now, this sounds obvious, but it's revolutionary for me because I expect myself to be perfect the first time, every single time. And this is hard in music because opportunities are so rare that every single one feels high stakes. But that's a scarcity mindset that's making me smaller, not better. I'm still learning all this, and while these don't work all the time, these three practices guide me back to my center. So I wonder, what resonates for you, and how are you practicing grace for yourself? My name is Tiffany Chang, and this is Conductor as CEO, where I'm curious about ideas that help us become better arts leaders. If these ideas resonate with you, please consider signing up in the link below to receive an email with each new blog post sent directly to your inbox. Thank you and have a great day.